Fusion, bamboo. Here behavior sheet is below the. This is in same line. This is behavior. First we need to install metric server. So check whether the metric server is installed or not. This I already uploaded in one of my posts in NeoCloud. This is the error. So install metric server. Just a patch. Wait for metric server to roll out. You will see message like successfully rolled out. Take a few seconds. Great. Deployment metric server successfully rolled out. Now top nodes. Great. And pods. kubectl top pods. -a means all. I'm making it little, so you will see few cores, memory bytes. Okay. So now I will create. I will open central pod autoscaler. You search HP, and you will find central pod autoscaler and walk through. Just click on the walkthrough and Control F. Copy this file. Create API. Paste it here. In my top is forgot to press I. Just write this. You can copy it also, but every time 30 W. I had not applied yet. First, I will apply deployment. Just open this YAML file. Services, no issue. Will copy these 3 lines of is there in horizontal pod autoscaler. Here, resources and limits is also mentioned. It is the service. So keep it. I'll cat autoscale now. You'll see here name is here scale reference should be batched with whatever you are. I want to make it. Now I will apply first deployment. Deployment is ready. Till time bear with me. Control L. Get pod. One pod is there. Okay. Autoscale here. Minimum replicas is 1. I will make it 3. Maximum replicas is 3. Utilization is average utilization is 50%. I can say it is okay, let it be, it is 50%. It is WQ A apply -F auto scale. Just be careful. Unnecessary S, no issue. It will show in little time. Now it is showing. If metric server is installed, it will show. Now this I'm doing what showing here. Before that, I'll just via auto scale. I'll make it. I'll add load. Increase the load. Other time here, so load will increase. Now load is 93. Replica is 1. Just wait. Maximum pod is now. We'll see replicas is 3. Okay. Still the load is much. Now I will stop the load. Okay. It will take few minutes to. Deployment has replicas equal to 2. What happened? Any guesses? A get deployment is running because auto scale is here. Minimum replicas, minimum pods to be 1, maximum pods to be 3. And this is referencing this particular deployment. Now I will make minimum means I will make this auto scale like that. Minimum replicas is 3 and maximum replicas is 5. So you will see instantly 5 pod will instantly 3 pod will be there. Okay, get I will edit minimum replicas to 3, this to be 5. Get pod, we'll see, start creating. Hope it will clarify your doubts. So thank you so much for your love and support. It's this is a little boring. I will try to make it interesting. Thank you so much for your love and support once again. Yes, few videos are hidden because of some policy. So sorry for that. Thank you so much.